Hello, in this video we're going to look at how you can create a free website with WordPress. So to begin, you go to wordpress.com in your browser, preferably Google Chrome, and then you come here to get started. Okay, so I click on get started. It loads this page where you put in your details. Very important, you need to have your email open in one of the tabs because you'll need to confirm your account later. Okay, so the first space is asking for your email address. Then you use put in a username. This is the name you'll be using to sign in on the site. Then you pick a password. Ensure you pick a strong password. Strong password means one that has at least a capital letter and also figures that you can use. Okay, so after cross-checking, ensure that you've put in the right email, username and a strong password. You click to create your account. Then here you're putting in the domain name. So you choose words that you'd want to describe, let's say, that site. If it's going to be about cooking, if it's going to be about housing, the domain is the address of the site on the web. Okay, so here you put in some best names that are short and memorable. Okay, so I can put in housing. Okay, so depending, it will bring you different suggestions. Okay, and since we are now creating a free website, of course WordPress brings suggestions that you can pay for. Okay, as you can see the different options, but for now we go with the free option. Okay, so you make sure you select the one which is free, okay, in order not to pay. Then you click on it like that. So it will load you to this page where it will still want you to pick one of the payment plans, but you can continue to start with the free site. As we continue, case in point, please have your VPN on as you're working with WordPress, okay, because as of late it doesn't work unless you have VPN on for you to be able to load the different features that we're going to look at. Okay, so here the different goals, what you're going to do with WordPress. You can click on any, but we'll go skip to dashboard so that you can begin the customization. So this is the dashboard. This is the back end of the website where you make changes and customize the site to your preference. Okay, so now here we'll begin by giving your site a name. So you click here to give your site a name, and then you put here site title, housing. Then tagline is what it's about. What, like just like we have Daily Monitor, you have Daily Monitor has all truth every day in the leading daily. So here is what the site, what does it represent? So put excellent housing conditions. Then below there are some more changes. Time zone English, you can change if you want to, but these are fine right now. Then you click on all done. Then you click on save settings, and then you return to home to make more changes. So here next you can go to confirm your email address, the email that you put in when you were signing up. Okay, so you make sure it's open in the nearby tab, and you wait for it. There's an email that comes from WordPress. Okay, so there's welcome to WordPress, and then there's one, the first one it brings of activate. Okay, so you make sure you go to the one of activate to ensure that you activate your site. Then you click here to confirm now. So your email has been confirmed. Okay, then after we can go here now to launch your site to the world. So come to launch your site, then after we click on launch site. So once after you click to launch your site, it will bring you back here. Okay, after it brings you here. Okay, once again it will lead you here where there are different payment options, but you come to the bottom and then you click on skip purchase. Okay, so that you continue with the free option. Then once again you come here to start with the free site. So now your site has been launched, and this is the back end of the site. To see how it looks at the front, you come to your site address here at the top, copy up to the wordpress.com, open in a new tab, and then you click on enter so that you can see the front end of your site. Remember, this is the back end and this is the front end. So this is how your site looks like currently. So then after you've successfully created, then you can begin if you want to make any changes to the appearance of the site. We have here appearance, then we have themes. When you open them in a new tab, so these are themes. This is the design layout of your website. Okay, there are very many that you can pick from, and in your free time you can go through these different themes to see what works well for you in your website. So if you clicked on info, let's say of one of the themes, you'll be able to see all the information regarding that theme. Okay, and you'll be able to know if it is free or premium. Okay, so this is where you can check it out, and then you can see how it looks like. That's in terms of the theme. Then coming back, then we can also look at creating pages. Pages are also important on a website. This is where you publish more of information which you're not going to update so much over time. Okay, information that's not going to change so much. So you come to pages right here, then you click on add new, and it will load. So I'm waiting for it to load here, and then we can see how we can add information to a page. Apologies for this, internet speed. I don't know why it's not loading. I don't know if it's the internet. You can just refresh it here. Yes, so it has loaded, and okay, so this is how it loads. It loads with different templates of pages that you can begin to work with, or you can begin from a blank page. Okay, as you can see, there are some templates here of contact us, latest posts, coming soon page. So if you went here to blank page, you can start from scratch. This is a tour. So this is where you put the title of the page. Let's see if it's contact. Then below is where you start putting the content. Okay. So this is where you put the information, and then after you can click on publish. Okay, to publish that page for it to be live once again, like that. And this page will be published. You can even view it here after. Okay, so another thing apart from pages we look at is how to create categories. Categories, this is a good way of organizing content on your website. If you're going to be writing about different things, it's good to have different categories so that when you publish a post, you will select it under a given category. So to create categories, you come here to post, then you come here to categories. So you can create as many categories depending on the type of content that you will be posting, so that your work, your content on your site is well structured. So here is where you add a new category from. So for instance, if I'm going to put, if this site is about housing, I can have a category where I look at rentals. So that whenever I publish a post about rentals which I'm selling, I add it to this category. Then I add it there. Then I can have another one, commercial buildings. Then after, you click to add. So that is how you create categories. So yes, we have looked at how to open up a website, create pages, and then categories. So you can add as many categories as you feel like. Thank you.